In this video, I will show you 3 ways I ship furniture to all parts of the country. I also show you how I pack furniture and the cost for each shipping option I use. The 3 furniture shipping options depend on the size, shape, and value of the item. For tabletops and wall art under 80 inches by 65 inches by 4 inches, that's length times width times thickness, I use FedEx or UPS and use an adjustable flat screen TV box. I pack the item with 3 layers of protection. First, I place the item in a mattress bag to keep dirt and dust away. Then, I wrap it with foam sheets or bubble wrap. For the last layer, I put it in a foam bag and secure corner pads on all 4 of the corners. The TV box comes in 3 size options: medium, large, and extra large. Each box has an adjustable size range, which makes it easy to determine which box I need for a given project. Once I've finished packing the furniture, I place the item in the inner portion of the box and put the outer portion over it. Once the item is completely packed, I use a scale to get the weight of the item in order to get the final shipping costs. For this table, the cost to send the item from Destin, Florida to Monterey, California was $239.41, including insurance. The second furniture shipping option I use is uship.com. I use uship for larger, higher value items with various parts and pieces. In a nutshell, uship allows me to enter my shipment details and receive bids from various independent carriers. These carriers specialize in shipping furniture and other large items such as appliances and even vehicles. Before I enter the shipping details into uship, I build a custom crate or box for the piece of furniture or the item, such as this tabletop, table bottom, and bench. Each crate is a custom size depending on the item, so I figure out the dimensions of the box before shipment. For this table, I glued foam to the interior of particle board and cut the top, bottom, sides, and ends for the box. Next, I carefully wrapped each item for the box with bubble wrap. I designed my large pieces of furniture to disassemble easily. This makes it easier to ship and easier for my customer to move the furniture from room to room or even from house to house. Be sure to check out my video on how to make furniture that disassembles. I'm going to leave a link down below. I don't have a massive scale, so I weigh each part of the box and each item before putting it into the box. I add these numbers up to get an approximate final weight. The entire shipment, including the item and the shipping crate, was 90 inches by 48 inches by 12 inches. That's length times width times thickness, and weighed 300 pounds. The driver I used for this project had a truck with a long bed and a truck cap. He showed up on time and we loaded the large box into the bed of his truck. Less than 24 hours later, he delivered the table to my customer in perfect condition. So I know you heard the old saying of, if you want something done right, to do it yourself. Well, this applies to furniture shipping, and it's the final furniture shipping method on my list. I use this option for large, high-value items and package the item the same exact way as I do in the previous option with uship. So I use a bed extender when the item is longer than the bed of my truck. I originally purchased this item to carry my paddle boards, but I have used it for so many different things. So when do I choose to deliver furniture rather than ship it? Well, it's pretty simple. If I can make the delivery and back home within 12 hours, it makes sense for me to do it. This allows me to pocket the shipping costs, meet my customer, as well as perform the installation. Well, folks, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.